Mine operations are under daily pressure to increase production and control costs while ensuring safety. You've got to reduce wait times, maximize payloads, improve equipment utilization, and ensure you're mining to plan. Mine managers need technology to drive better results, technology that offers a visibility and control over all aspects of operation. That's why Wenco created Wenco Mine Fleet Management Systems, a suite of specialized solutions designed to help you get the most out of your mine. Wenco Mine FMS brings together hardware, software, and communication systems to track, monitor, and improve production, maintenance, and safety in your mine. Operators check in-cab touchscreens to find their assignments and targets, while dispatchers use desktop software to manage and monitor activity. Everyone works from the same information to stay in sync for smooth and safe production. In addition to dispatch automation, Wenco Mine offers several modules to improve your operations, including precision machine guidance, preventative maintenance monitoring, safety and collision avoidance, integrated business intelligence, as well as open API access and technical support to integrate and better leverage your existing systems. Wenco does the hard work in real time, calculating speed, payload, location, and cycle times to show you the way to more tonnage in every shift. It also turns that raw data into actionable intelligence, so you can make data-driven decisions and maximize production. Looking beyond day-to-day operations, Wenco also helps you get the bigger picture of your data, offering reliable real-time reporting across your mine and even across your organization, uncovering even more opportunities to reduce costs, extend equipment life, and increase productivity. The future of modern mining will offer opportunities to easily extract even more value from the data across mine operations. Take the next step for your mine. Get Wenco working for you.